our Happy Halloween balloons.
They're so cute and tiny.
And we are inflating these first.
Yeah, so we got a Halloween balloon set. It came with the Happy Halloween sign, balloon sign, I guess.
Those guys doesn't float.
It came with these balloons, and it also came with those plain black and orange balloons. So we're gonna inflate some of these. See what they look like.
Oh yeah, we were gonna do that one. Little spider, cute. And a pumpkin.
And a pumpkin.
And it says like some kind of spell or something. It says eye of newt, wing of bat. A pinch of this, a drop of that. Help yourself if you dare. Halloween treats, all to share.
Oh, cute.
And he has a little hat. Oh, there's two of those ones.
Probably you can play with them, right?
Cute.
I didn't know he looked like that.
He's very cute.
Okay.
All right, so this one tore a little bit, so we're gonna inflate it with a straw. There he is.
Their bodies are so tiny.
I know. So those are our little Halloween skeleton guys. Let's get a closer look. Very cute. You can see all their little bones. All right, so what's next? There he is. I wonder if he's gonna float.
What? Oh, weird.
Yeah, that makes sense because the
There's
top.
more helium in the top, in the head,
Yeah.
and in the hat.
So he floats upside down. What if we try to string to him? You think he'll float right that time? No, right?
No, look, I'm holding it from the bottom.
All right, so just for future reference, these do not float properly. Woo!
That's so funny.
Can I see? Can I let him?
Whoa, weird. So who's next?
Who's next, Aaron?
Spider.
Spider.
With the
All
little
right.
colorful leg.
So this little spider, it has like spider web on it and little colorful Halloween color legs.
Jesus, this guy's using up a lot of helium. And all those little legs got inflated. There's still one that's not. It might be sealed. I don't want to like force it to open.
It's all right.
One flat leg.
Does he float?
Check it, Aaron. Oh yeah, it floats. It floats.
Yay!
Oh wait, let me see the spider leg. There is.
Oh, it popped out. Woohoo! All right, nah, I don't think he needs more air. I think it's good.
Okay.
So let's just tie him down. So we're gonna inflate this guy with the pump. Should we get the electric pump or who cares?
Nah, sure, and take it. There we go.
There we go. So you see, you can either inflate them with helium and they float upside down, or you can just pump them full of air and then we'll just stick them on the wall. All right, guys, so there is our other Halloween balloon up there. So last but not least, we have a kitty cat balloon.
Green eyes and purple ears.
There you go. So the little body inflated really fast. There he is, super cute.
Hold on, I'm still
Waiting them?
All right. Let's see.
Oh, he just sits. He's like an airwalker.
He's like an air walker.
He doesn't.
Cute.
He doesn't float. But that's
He
okay.
stands up though.
But why is he not even like? I think he doesn't float.
Uh-oh.
He stands
So
up.
the cat doesn't float, but it's okay.
jumping.
He's like an air walker, so he kind of glides. So he could stand up. I wouldn't probably waste helium on this one in the future. But yeah, so let's look at this super cute balloon.
Like that?
Yeah. Cute. So these are just like regular balloons. Oh no! We lost it. Got it.
This is like metallic black. Right?
Yeah.
Where?
Woohoo!
Right there.
Right here?
So you get a whole bunch of balloons in this little set. See, there's a whole bunch more orange and black ones to inflate. We hope you guys like our awesome Halloween balloons. We really like them. So now you guys know the spider floats, but not the cat, and not the jack-o'-lantern.
Pumpkin floats upside down.
Yeah, he floats upside down back there. And then these cute little guys are super cute. They're all good to put on the wall, you know, like a decoration. But let us know which one of these balloons is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye! So we are inflating our letters right now so we can have them ready for in just a little bit when we inflate the rest of the Halloween balloons, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So this is how many we have blown up of the letters. You can see there's lots of letters. So we are going to put them up there when we're done inflating them.